Welcome to Seattle.
We're gonna have fun.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, Mama.
Hey. Oh, it's a 2-bedroom?
Love ya.
Oh, I love you too.
Hi.
Oh my God. Oh. What?
Yes, wow. I did better than I thought I did.
Wow.
Look at this. Good. The needle's right back there somewhere.
I haven't noticed.
Y'all better back up from that railing, making me.
Wow. Look at it.
Good morning, everyone. We made it to our apartment here in Seattle. My sister, Amy, got us this place, and I just can't believe. I mean, it's amazing.
It's a lot better.
It is amazing. We have windows. We can look all the way from one end to the other, all the way up the sound. And here's Amy.
Hey everybody.
We met up with our family, so Mom's here, Amy's here, my brother Jason's here, all of his crew, and you're gonna meet everybody here. It's about 11 o'clock and we are still here in the apartment. But man, when you got a view like this, we just can't pull ourselves from the balcony here. We're watching the world go by. So we are gonna go to Pike Place Market, which is only a block or two from us. Parents, do you ever get the evil stare from your teenagers?
You will if all you have for breakfast is this. I did, that's the problem. Yes.
And you just eat all the white butter. Not the whole thing.
What does it taste like, Owen? Sweet? Sour? You don't like it?
I like it, but I'm not sure how to describe the taste.
Kind of like a peach?
It is sweet. Kind of like a peach.
Kind of, but not as good. I mean, I can see why it's not popular. So we spent an hour or so walking Pike Place Market, and we're getting hungry, and we're trying to manage finances as best we can. When you're on the road for 8 weeks, you got to give it some thought. And so there was a McDonald's 3 blocks from the market. So we went up to McDonald's, had a quick lunch. We'll eat something nicer for dinner, but we try not to do 3 meals a day at expensive places if we don't have to. Part of how we make it work.
There's something called the Seattle freeze. Okay, people are. That's so much like my mom.
Anybody want to try?
My mother was talking about some cow with the biggest udder she'd ever seen in her life. I was like, what? A squirrel?
You want to try one?
And the end of the chain
Szechuan
for dinosaurs and stuff. Sushi bars will take the paper that's
Oh, just say it.
because if I say what I'm going to say, it's going to upset some people.
Just say.
I don't have a quarter. I wish I had the quarter.
What are y'all up to?
So flavored candy.
You're a bad aunt. You're a bad aunt.
I'm a great aunt.
It's hot. It's candy. So
flavored.
Be prepared if you come to the market for hours and hours of shopping. We're on about hour 4 or 5 now. Of course, I'm with a bunch of ladies. All right.
Ah, you're a bad aunt.
I did it without
Well, because
touching.
nobody's...
I did it without touching.
I wanted to get you on video.
Yeah, see,
We kind of are. They never eat stuff like that. He's so sweet.
What's you?
Tiger something. Tiger butter, which is white chocolate and it's caramel dipped, the white chocolate with peanut butter dip, and then dark chocolate. Even if I did, I probably still wouldn't get down to the apple.
So Mary was with us all day today, and we're about to find out what parking in Seattle is like. Hey.
Oh, that's not nearly as bad as I thought it would be.
1962. Seattle parking garages. Woo, man. For your $20, you might should have spent $25 to get the extra foot.
Exactly. At least the time.
So we came down to Chinatown for dinner. It's my family and Mary, and we're going to this place called Ho Ho Seafood, and it came recommended from the rest of my family who had dinner here last night.
Try to go up anymore.
I know.
You guys have a wonderful trip. Okay, love you too.
We just got back from eating at Ho Seafood. Mary drops us off, we come up to the room, we start getting settled for the night, and then this.
Look at this. Just wait for it. Wait for it.
I didn't know it was that.
Mount Rainier. You see it? There it
I
is.
didn't know it was that big.
Yes.
Ooh.
It showed himself.
Tell Aunt Mary. Are you telling Aunt Mary?
Now we stand here and wait for the Giselle to arrive.
Oh my gosh.
There's not many of these in existence today. We might get a sighting. Let's find out.
Oh.
23.
Oh my gosh.
And here we are.
Here
I
we.
can never remember to go left or right. And make sure we turn it towards the handle. Oh, I hear them. What could they be?
Can't wait to find out.
Did you see the light?
Ah!
Hi.